Good morning, you guys. So, back from being 9 or 8 days on vacation means laundry, right? So I just had this genius idea. It's not really genius. Sorry, still adjusting to the time change to do 2 at one time. So I've always separated and made 1. There's the copy, thank God. But I'm just gonna do 2 at one time this time. So what I do is I do half Thieves. So I've poured half of one full one into my other laundry detergent. And I'm gonna put 2 capfuls in each one. 1 second. This is just like the way I make and give the laundry an extra boost. I like it better. And then I also am gonna add, 1/3 cup if there's enough of hydrogen peroxide, and then fill the rest up with water. And the hydrogen peroxide, I always say it wrong, so I never know if it's hydrogen peroxide or oxygen peroxide. Anyway, what it does is it gives an extra boost for stain remover. Then another thing I do with my laundry is I use vinegar, white, it's not up here, white distilled vinegar, I think. The same stuff you use for cooking. I use that as my fabric softener. And depending on my mood, I sometimes add essential oils to the laundry for the extra boost. We were on vacation, right? And so I didn't bring Thieves with me to wash our clothes, and we packed enough clothes that we'd be able to do laundry. And I don't know if you guys know anything about addicts or alcoholics, but we sometimes think that rules don't apply to us. And here's 1/3 cup hydrogen peroxide. I think this is a half cup, so I'm just eyeballing it. Well, I thought, hey, we'll be fine with the normal laundry soap. We're juries and chafes, no worries. But you guys saw that, I don't know what language he's speaking. It's not Hawaiian, it's not English, so I ignore it. But, so I didn't think anything would happen, and not that anything bad did happen. But Hawk got a rash that I posted for you guys earlier, and it's still there. It kind of looks like acne. Given John and I got rashes too. I got them on my skin, but ours looked more just like bumps, whereas his are like whiteheads. Anyway, so I am washing even our clean clothes to get the detergent out. But halfway through, I just stopped doing laundry, so that way it was pointless for me at that point. So, okay, so I have, half Thieves laundry detergent, 1/3 cup hydrogen peroxide here in each one, extra boost for stain removal, and Thieves cleaner 2 caps, which also helps with stain removal. And the stains, like the food stains that I haven't gotten out yet, I just use my normal, which is also out, and I'll have to make my normal Thieves spray. I use it as spray and wash and just spot wash, let it sit for 10 minutes. If I'm not in a super huge hurry, I just take a little toothbrush and rub it on. If it's a really bad stain, you can add baking soda to it, and that helps. And then that's my spray and wash. While I am here, I'm just going to show you guys really quickly. Oh, and then top this with water, which I'll do in a little bit. I do warm water, so it can all dilute a little better. Okay, in 30 seconds or less, here's my Thieves cleaner or my spot treatment cleaner. You don't have to have a funnel. I'm just really bad at aiming. You can do 1 capful per every 16-ounce water. We have that, or is it 2? You guys, I need more sleep. Nope, it's one capful. That's way too much. So I'll probably use this for the spray and wash. 2 capful right here. That's all you only need one per 30, 1 capful per 30 parts water. Or it's a teaspoon per 16 ounces. So you guys do the math because you probably are awake. Fill the rest with water and then you got it. All right, I hope you guys have a good Friday.